लोग भी हमको पूछते हैं कि आखिर में सुशांत ने आत्महत्या की या उसका मर्डर हुआ।
The mystery of how Sushant Singh Rajput died is yet to be solved over 3 months after his death. Now, a fresh development. The second forensic report in the case, prepared by AIIMS Delhi at the behest of the CBI. Here's what it contains as per reports. The AIIMS panel found no traces of any organic poison in Sushant's body. It reportedly also discovered lapses in the autopsy done by Mumbai's Cooper Hospital. Just days earlier, the lawyer of Sushant's father had said that he had been told by an AIIMS doctor that the actor had been strangled to death. The autopsy done in Mumbai had said that the probable cause of death was asphyxia due to hanging. Here are a few other excerpts from the first report. It said that no oozing of blood or froth through the mouth, nostrils, and ears was found. The report said that the brain, skull vault, and base and ribs were intact. Pressure abrasion or ligature marks were present around Sushant's neck. Abrasions were absent over the backside of the neck and occipital protuberance. Ligature marks were more prominent and deep on the right side of Sushant's neck. While initially it was called a probable suicide, Sushant's family alleged foul play. And the CBI has said that it will cover all angles, with no aspect being ruled out for now, possibly an allusion to murder. Commenting on the investigation, AIIMS said that it was in agreement with the CBI. Dr. Sudhir Gupta, chairman of AIIMS Forensic Medical Board, said that the institution and the CBI were in agreement on the Sushant death case, but more deliberations were needed. He said that there was a need to look into some legal aspects for a logical legal conclusion in due time. However, the lawyer of Sushant's girlfriend, Riya Chakrabarti, has questioned the AIIMS panel. Riya's lawyer has sought a new medical board to keep the probe impartial and free from inference. Riya's lawyer's comments were seen as a response to the murder allegation by the counsel for Sushant's father. Meanwhile, Riya Chakrabarti continues to be in custody in a banned drugs case. A day earlier, Maharashtra's Home Minister had taken a jibe at the CBI over the lack of any concrete findings so far.
आपको सबको पता है कि सुशांत सिंह केस की पूरे इन्वेस्टिगेशन महाराष्ट्र पुलिस, मुंबई पुलिस बड़े प्रोफेशनली और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कर रही थी, और उसके बाद में एकाएक ये पूरी जांच सीबीआई को दी है। हम भी बड़े बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि सीबीआई का फाइंडिंग क्या है। लोग भी हमको पूछते हैं कि आखिर में सुशांत ने आत्महत्या की या उसका मर्डर हुआ। इस प्रकार की जो दुविधा है, हम राह देख रहे हैं कि सीबीआई की जो जांच है उसका नतीजा जल्द से जल्द सामने आए। करीबन 1.5 महीने के करीब हो गया है ये पूरा सीबीआई को हैंड ओवर करने के बाद। अब 1.5 महीने के बाद अभी उनकी जांच कहाँ तक आई है, बड़े बेसब्री से हम उनका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं।